Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is All Things Herbs, and today's video ay ano natin yung ating halaman. I was busy today cleaning up all the the entire house. Entire house. Yan, naglinis ako ngayon. So, malinis yung ating bahay ngayon na yan, malinis. Yan, malinis, super duper linis. Yan, nilinis ko yung aming sahig. Ayan, so ngayon, ayan, malinis na siya. Yung ating stove ay napakalinis na, no? So, malinis na yan. Basta malinis na yan. Tapos yung ating lamisa, malinis na yan. So, hindi ko lang nalinisan yung aking, meron pala ako pakita sa inyo. Yung aking bulaklak ay natuyo na. Ayan yung ating dry flower. You know, I always buy flower and then, I didn't throw it away. So, yeah. It looks beautiful, right? So, yeah, stay right there. I also have more in there. It's not dry yet. So, hintayin natin na maging tuyo. So, kukuha lang tayo dito ng gunting. May gunting ba dito? Wala. Walang gunting. At saka wala din gunting dito. Yan yun. Saksak sinagol yung ating ano dito. Wala. So, no gunting. Oh, ay, meron dito pala. Ito. Ayan, may gunting. Kasi gugupitin natin. Gugupitin natin yung flower, no? Daya ng mga dahon. Yan, busy ako ngayon, super busy. Bakit ito tumutunog? Let's open. So, katatapos lang namin kumain. Ayan yung ating itsura ngayon, walang ligo, no? So, iniho. Lagay ko kayo dito kasi wala akong tripod. Nasaan ba yung tripod ko? Tingnan natin para malagyan natin sa tripod kayo. Marumayo kong na-tripod dahil mga undo, no? So, here's my tripod. I had tripod here. Yep. My tripod, but this is not the tripod. I got this tripod. I mean, I have a new tripod, but I haven't used it yet. So this one is kind of moving, so we're gonna tie it up para hindi siya but it's not working. Wrong way yata. Isn't it wrong way? Ayan. Yeah, that was wrong way. Itong na, haggard kayo. Haggard kayo. So, ito na itong plastic. Oh, boy. Ayan. Kada plastic. So, data plastic na dalhon. No? So, kunin natin yung ating bulaklak na ito ang tanggalan og dahon na laya. It's really hot today. Very, very hot. So, dito na lang. Para makita ninyo, no? Ayan. Super kita ba? Ayan. Tanggalan na naman natin ng dahon. Naka-volume ba ito? Kasi minsan hindi volume aking ano. So, dito na lang. Kasi tamad tayo ngayon, tamad. So, mag-upo na lang ako kasi napagod ako kanina. I was so busy today. So I'm just gonna trim all this thing here para hindi makita yung ating bulaklak ng tripod na ere. Sibog na lang pag ere. Kana. Atras na lang to, no? Ayan. Ayan. So, magugupit lang tayo ng ating halaman. Tanggalin lang naman natin yung dahon na laya. It's really dry today. All the leaves outside is, the grass is dying. Wala na. Tuyo na. Tagtuyo na ngayon. Tagtuyo. Sa Pilipinas, yung mga tao nagkukomplain na dry, mainit. Ngayon din summer dito sa Amerika, sobrang init. Yeah. Mainit din. Siguro na talaga. Mainit na talaga sa buong mundo pag tag-init na. Sa daming dahon, hindi ko na makita kung saan yung laya. Pero maraming laya siya. And thank you to aking bagong member. Thank you for joining Mother of Burgers. Ayan. Thank you so much for your wonderful support. Really appreciate. At sa lahat-lahat na nanonood sa akin, thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much sa aking mga supporter na walang sawa na nasusupport sa akin. Thank you so much y'all. Y'all. Ayan. May mga bulaklak na ito. Itong iba, ano na, layana. Ayan, layana siya. Roger. So, abangan niyo yung mga try-on haul ko. Mag-try on haul tayo kasi yung ating dadalhin sa bakasyon, isusuot natin, susukat natin. So, wait for that videos coming up soon. Maybe I'm doing, what is this here? Bikini. Bikini. Bikini mong itim. Yeah. I'm gonna try on haul bikini. But this all bikinis is old because I'm not gonna buy new one because I'm only going vacation once a year, something like that. And we are so far away from the beach. And I'm not gonna use it. So, you know, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not gonna buy a new one this time. But if nothing gonna fit, then of course I'm gonna buy a new one. You know, nothing gonna fit, buy new one. Ano naman talaga no, pag hindi na magkasya, di bili na bago. Hindi kung kung walang pambili, walang bago. I'm sure something, you know, mayroon doon magkasya. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo mag-cut ng ating dahong laya. So, ito yung aking halaman. This plant, it's like, I think it's like 3 months, not 3 months, 3 years na yata ito, di ba? It's really old plant. I really need to get another pot so I can transfer some of this flower and maybe put somewhere that I can, you know, plant. I'm not sure you can plant this outside. I'm not sure if this is perennial. Yeah, because if it's not perennial, it will not, you know, it will not survive outside when it comes, you know, the cold weather. When the weather is cold, it's not gonna survive. Maybe, I'm not sure. So let me, if you know this plant is perennial, let me know. I can put this outside. I'm not sure. So, ayan, ang daming bulaklak. May mga bulaklak na siya. Yung puti yung bulaklak niya. Kita nyo? Yun yung bulaklak niya. Yun siya yung mga bulaklak. Wala na siyang dahong laya. So, yung ibahayaan ko lang muna doon kasi nga tinatamad ako. Ito lang muna kasi super ano na siya. Parang hindi na siya masaya sa daming yellow, may brown na dahon. So, yun yung lalagay na natin siya ulit doon sa ating nilagyan kanina. Hindi ko na siya hindi ko na yun ititrim yung iba. So, yan lang yung ating vlog for today. Ayan. So, yung ating outfit pala, ayan. Charan! Magkasya naman tong sa akin yung kasi nag-lose ako ng, I was doing water fast. But today, I eat a lot. Since it's like, today is a cheat day. So, I was eating chicken, and then I put some salad with chicken. With meat, you know, some meat. And then also eat some, I cook maha. You know, maha is like a cornstarch. And then I put some banana on it. It's just like a pudding, yeah? I make some pudding. And it was really delicious. So, I think I eat a bunch. So, I'm not sure if it was good or bad. It's bad. So, but anyway, next week I'm gonna go back again. I'm gonna do what I did this week. So, I start last Sunday. Yes, last Sunday. Today is Sunday, so it's like a week. 1 week yeah, it's like 7 days fasting. I lose 8 pounds and 9 pounds, 9.5 pounds, because right now I mean this morning I was like, when I weigh myself, it was 120 though. So I'm gonna show you maybe there. I'm gonna show you somewhere in there. So yeah, it was good, and then now it's like back to yan, ayan naman siya, oh. Ayan, charot. So yan niya siya, yan, lumiliit. Siyempre, kumain na ako ngayon. Ayan nga lang, para sa ito, kumain ako na madami. So, ayan. So, anywho, that is all for today. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating ginagawang video. Mabuhay! Bye-bye!